guys, it's Lacey, and today I'm going to be stretching my ears to a 14 gauge. Right now I'm filming on my phone instead of my camera because my camera battery is dead and I didn't even realize it till before I was about to film. But I think I might keep filming on my phone because my light, it's very bright in here, and on my phone I can adjust the exposure so it's not too bright. And the bathroom is a smaller space. I need a mirror to do it and I cannot fit my whole tripod in here. In my little stretching ears introduction video, I post more about the things I'm using and what I will be doing and my goal size and everything, so you can go check that out. The link is in the description. And let's get started. If you can see it, that's how big the tunnel is. You can't really see that there's a hole through it. That's how big the taper is. Now I have to go ahead and sterilize it with rubbing alcohol, so while they're being sterilized, I'm going to do the steps. And the first step is to massage your ears, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And you have to soak each ear in hot water for a few minutes. First, I'm going to put the cream on the taper and then put it on the tunnel also. Okay, I'm about to do it. I'm excited. On my ear, the cream, I'm gonna do my right ear first. You have to do it slowly. Okay, it is starting to sting a little bit, but that's what's supposed to happen. This is going to be a process. You know, I really wish I could just get it over with, but you have to do it slowly. It really does feel like a pinch. It really feels like a pinch. Push it through a little bit more. It doesn't really hurt, it's just annoying, and I wish I could get it done quicker. Okay, I think my ear's starting to get used to it. Hard to do this one. So I'm letting them sit in a little bit so it'll be easier when I put the tunnels in. It doesn't really hurt that bad, it's just annoying how it feels like someone's pinching you and it kind of stings just a little bit, but it's bearable. Just spent like the past 30 minutes trying to get the O-rings on the back of the tapers, but it's mainly because the O-rings are so small because the taper is small. It's 14 gauge. They're still small, so you can't really see a hole through it. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, so that's why I look so tired. It's March 22nd, so that's 2 days after I stretched my ears. The only thing I find hard was sleeping at first, I guess. It was just hard to find a position that I didn't feel like it was pressing on it. It was a little bit sore pretty much all of yesterday. That's expected. That's not unusual or anything. It's gonna feel like you just got your ears pierced for the first time. My left ear feels fine, but my right ear, it is still a little bit sore, I guess. Not really, it's really just depends on whether or not I pay attention to it. I'm about to go clean my ears right now. My ear stretching playlist with all the videos is in the description, as well as the things that I used in this video. You can go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I posted a TikTok about stretching to 14 gauge. You can see it more up close. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.